Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I will show you how you can use all these products from Tapo as a security alarm. The Tapo hub, motion sensor, contact sensor, the button, the three lights, GU10 and the bulb. I have made a video for all these products, you can check down below the description on the Tapo playlist. And of course we need the Tapo app, smart, automation, create automation, add trigger, trigger device, the contact sensor, on, add again device, trigger device, motion sensor, done, then add action, control Tapo device, color bulb, on, then again, control Tapo device, drive light, on, add action again, control Tapo device, smart bulb, on. And again add action, control Tapo device, smart hub, ring, sound settings, choose the volume, sound direction, from 5 seconds to 10 minutes or custom, 1 minute, done. Next, light, alarm. Done. Automation created. For now let's disable the automation just to create everything. Shortcuts, add shortcut, add action, enable disable automation, light alarm, enable. Perfect. Next, on, alarm. And of course you can choose an icon. Done. Then let's add again shortcut, add action, enable disable automation, disable. Add action, control Tapo devices, color bulb off, add action, control Tapo device, drive light off, add action, control Tapo device, smart bulb off. And another one, add action, control Tapo device, smart hub, become silent, done. Next, off, alarm, done. Off alarm and on alarm. Home, alarm on, and when motion detected, sound alarm, lights are on, and off. Now let's test with a contact sensor. I will hide the motion detection. Of course you can create a new scene using only the contact sensor if you are at your home, and alarm on. Contact sensor open, sound from the alarm, lights on, and even if I'm going to close the contact sensor, the alarm is keep sounding. Off. Let's test with a button and with a motion sensor. So, enable the alarm. Instant. Disable, double tap, disable. Let's test with the contact sensor. Contact sensor open. Double tap, deactivate the security alarm. And that's how you have the best security alarm. Install any contact sensor at any door window and the motion sensor. In the case if you are away home. If you are indoors, then you need to use only the contact sensor. How you can do that? Create another automation with contact sensor only, add trigger, trigger device, contact sensor on. Add action, control Tapo device on again. Add action, control Tapo drive light on, add action, control Tapo device, smart bulb on. So many things to do with automation. Next, done. Perfect. And then again add, control Tapo device, smart hub, ring, sound direction, 1 minute. Sound settings. Okay, done. And save. Created automation. Now let's go at the shortcut. Shortcut, add action, enable, disable automation. Enable, done. Next, alarm, in. And again, add shortcut, add action, enable, disable automation, contact sensor, disable. And add action, you need to have your lights off when disable the alarm. Or not, it is your choice. And the smart hub becomes silent. So if I'm going to enable the alarm, there it is. It doesn't do anything, the motion sensor, because it is only for the contact sensor. And off. That's how you can use your security alarm indoors when you are sleeping. And of course you can adjust all that to your needs, routine actions for leave home, arrive home, go to bed, simulated sunrise, turn on the lights at sunset, create shortcuts, automation. You can even choose the Tapo camera, privacy mode, alarm sound, motion tracking, patrol mode, pan and tilt control. You can choose so many things to do. I have made a video about this Tapo camera. It is an amazing camera. You will enjoy any moment using this camera, protecting your property with smart switches, smart plugs, and more. Did I mention that I like automation? Well, my viewers, that was another video from Tapo and some of the products, how you can use these products to make your own security alarm at your home. Buy more than one contact sensor or motion sensor and create your security alarm. Even you can buy more than one hub, and that's how you will have a louder sound. Again, my viewers, thank you for watching this long video. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.